One of my friends, whenever she wants to come to visit me, she only asks for one thing: blueberry bread. In her opinion, the blueberry bread is the most delicious bread. Hey, I'm Goli, and today in Miss Cake Kitchen, I'm going to teach you how to make this delicious blueberry bread. Let's get started together. First, we'll need 200 grams of sugar, which mixed with 60 grams of room temperature butter and 60 grams of vegetable oil. We should thoroughly blend these ingredients until the mixture is creamy and smooth. Then add 1 egg to the mixture. And mix them together until the egg is completely combined with other ingredients. Don't forget to scrape down the bowl. Now add 120 grams of whole milk to the mixture. Mix it together just until everything is combined. Add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Add the zest of 1 whole orange to the mixture. The flavor that the orange gives to this bread is truly unmatched. You can also use lemon zest instead of orange zest. Mix everything together until it's completely uniform. Now it's time to add our dry ingredients. Stir together 16 grams of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 240 grams of flour. If you also use frozen blueberry, add 2 tablespoons of the flour mixture to the blueberries and toss them well. Sift the rest of the flour to the mixture and gently fold them together until well combined. Don't overmix it. Add the blueberries and fold them into the mixture gently. Grab a loaf pan, put a parchment in it, and pour the batter into it. You can use some blueberries to garnish the top of your bread. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit about 15 minutes beforehand. Place the bread on the middle rack and let it bake for about 75 minutes until it's fully cooked. My friend is right. The flavor of this bread is truly unmatched. It is absolutely insane. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video and definitely let me know in the comments what you'd like the next video to be about.